Welcome back, and time now for the financial week. Caribbean Flavours and Fragrances Limited is reporting solid growth with revenues and profits on the rise. For the year which ended December 31, 2024, the company recorded revenues just over $884 million with profit before tax of $109.38 million. Shareholders also received dividends totaling nearly $45 million.
These results underscore our ability to sustain profitability and maintain shareholder values and returns even in challenging market conditions.
Building on this foundation, the company reported impressive year-to-date 2025 results. For the 6-month period which ended June 30, 2025, revenues climbed 18% to $529 million, with exports up 74%. Looking ahead, CFF says they're centered on expanding their regional and international reach while cementing its position as a leading innovator in the ingredient space. In the meantime, Dermont Trading says it's pushing ahead with its transformation plans despite a challenging 2024. At its annual general meeting, the company reported revenues of $15.2 billion and a gross profit of $3.86 billion for the year which ended December 31, 2024. Total assets climbed to $17.7 billion, but higher financing costs pushed the group into a net loss of more than $600 million. Still, the company highlighted several milestones. Its New York supermarket reopened in November, and Spicy Hill Farms rolled out new products for both local and export markets. CEO Ian Kelly says early results in 2025 already show improvement with a return to profitability on the horizon. The JSE combined index declined by 99 points, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. The winners included Jamaica Public Service Company Limited 7%, Epley Limited, MFS Capital Partners, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Lumber Depot. The losers included Productive Business Solution US Ordinary Shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, 138 Student Living, Jamaica Limited Variable Preference Shares, The Lab, and Berger Paints. 20 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $160.76. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.93. The pound is going for $218.85, while the euro is selling for an average $188.42. And that's the financial week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.